Should I buy Sony television from Delhi? Deciding whether to buy a Sony television from Delhi depends on several factors such as price, availability, and your preferences. Delhi is one of India's largest metropolitan areas, offering a wide variety of retail options, making it an attractive place to purchase electronics like a Sony TV. Here's a breakdown of why buying a Sony television from Delhi could be a good idea. 1. Wide availability and retail options. Step 1. Numerous retail stores. Delhi is home to several large electronics retailers like Chroma, Reliance Digital, and VJ Sales, all of which carry Sony televisions. Additionally, there are multiple Sony brand stores throughout the city where you can check out various models and experience them firsthand. Step 2. Online and offline options. In addition to physical stores, Delhi offers plenty of online shopping opportunities through websites like Amazon India, Flipkart, and the official Sony India website. These platforms often offer competitive pricing, discounts, and home delivery services, making shopping convenient. Second, competitive pricing and offers. Step 1. Promotions and discounts. Retailers in Delhi often offer seasonal promotions, sales, and discounts on Sony TVs, especially during festive seasons like Diwali or year-end sales. You may also find exchange offers or extended warranties to make the purchase more affordable. Step 2. Price comparison. You can compare prices across different stores in Delhi or on e-commerce websites to ensure you're getting the best deal on the model you want. Prices can vary depending on the store, location, and ongoing promotions. 3. Authenticity and warranty. Step 1. Genuine products. Buying from an authorized Sony retailer or store in Delhi ensures that you receive an authentic Sony television with the manufacturer's warranty. This is important for post-purchase support and repairs if needed. Step 2. Warranty and after-sales support. Sony provides reliable customer service in Delhi, ensuring you can easily access repair services or resolve any issues that arise after purchasing the TV. A warranty typically covers manufacturing defects and provides peace of mind. In conclusion, buying a Sony television from Delhi is a good choice, thanks to the wide availability of options, competitive pricing, and convenience in terms of delivery and installation. Additionally, buying from authorized retailers or official stores ensures you get a genuine product with warranty and access to after-sales support. If you find the right deal and model, purchasing from Delhi can be a great way to get a high-quality Sony TV.